Okay, Adina, you know what we're going to make today?
Yeah, a cake for my 6th birthday.
That's right. And when is your birthday? What month?
October 13th.
That's right. So first we're going to put our butter. So we're going to lift. That's why I call it the 1, 2, 3, 4 cake. So grab your butter. It's very soft. So here's our butter in there. Oh, you know what we're going to do with this paper that has butter on it? We're going to butter our pan. This is perfect. You know why we butter our pan?
Why?
So the cake, when it's ready, will come easy, will pop right out. Now let's take 1 cup measurement. We're going to put the sugar in. So where's our 1 cup measurement?
I think this one.
Yeah, that's our sugar, that's right. And let's go get a...
How did I know that? Now where do I pour this? How much do I put?
That's a good question. First, put this down. We're going to put this inside. Right. And put this... No, the other way around. We're going to put our cup inside over there. And we're going to measure. Can you fill that up all the way? You can put it on the mixer now.
Now as you can see, we're mixing the mixer. Now
So what we're doing, Adina, we're mixing. What do we put here so far?
butter and sugar.
That's right. And we're making it like a cream. We're going to do it so that it's light and fluffy.
And white. We're going to make this cake look white.
That's right. It's a white cake. Yeah. And then we'll do the decoration later.
It feels good because it's bumpy. Okay.
You can put it on second gear. A little bit faster. That's fine. That's great.
I'm not going to do it to 10.
No, that's what you do when you whipping cream.
Where is 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7.
How does that look?
Good.
Getting fluffy? A little bit more?
Look.
Good. You think a little bit more?
No.
You think you're ready? Okay. If you say so, we're ready? Okay.
See, look. It's all cleaned up.
That's right. Now what we're going to put the eggs 1 at a time. So what
I'm going to do it.
I'm going to crack it and you're going to put it in. How about that? Look, 1. Now put that egg in there. And then we have to mix it 1 at a time. So we close it. Look how she's using the mixer.
Now
You can drive a car soon. Okay, so now we're going to wait a little bit and then we're going to put the next egg.
It looks cute. It looks fine to me right now.
Okay, you're right. Off, pick it up, perfecto. And then put that in there. Good job. While you mix that, I'm going to put, good job, I'm going to put the 3rd egg in.
Wait until there's no yellow. Look.
This will be the
I'm going to
the
crack
4th
that
egg.
egg.
We wait a little bit. You think it's ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
I'm going to put the oven at the meantime at 350 degrees. So go ahead. Okay, good. So we put 4 eggs 1 at a time, right? So what did we put there from the beginning? What do we do?
We put butter, sugar, eggs.
Good. Now the next thing that goes in to put 3 cups of flour.
I'm going to do
So
it.
1 at a time.
Oh, now I have to.
So first we're going to put
I'm going to put flour.
a little bit of flour and then I'm going to get the milk at the meantime.
Yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, you can put that whole cup in.
Good milk.
Okay. 1 at a time. I'll clean that up. It's okay. So that was 1
When
flour.
we're ready, we're going to want the mixer spinning.
Yeah. So put this in a 2nd cup of. Just put a little bit of milk. Just put a little bit of milk. That's it. See how we do it? We do some milk,
Some milk.
and some flour. Hold the milk. Put a little bit of milk in here, a little bit. Okay, keep that milk for the last cup. Okay? Go ahead. Good job. See, we're working on both ends. You got the milk and I got the flour.
In the meantime, we better look. My stomach is spinning.
We're going to put our baking powder. We need 3 teaspoons of baking.
I want to do the baking powder. No, never mind. Yes, please. Okay.
3 teaspoons of baking powder. We do flat one. Remember how I showed you to hold this? Be careful with baking powder to be exact. 1, 2, good job. And another one, same way.
This is very bad. Cardinal's really dirty.
It's turned white. Look, and the third teaspoon.
My tummy not camera.
Third teaspoon.
Look, Cardinal turned white.
And now we put our vanilla. We
No,
took
let
2
me
of
do
them.
it.
Sure, 2 of them. We're gonna switch it off this time. Put this here. 1, 2. Good job.
I can play with Cardinal, the powder.
So this is the consistency you want for the cake. So we buttered our 9-inch pans with 2 of them. We're gonna make a double layer vanilla cake.
Why did they 2?
Yeah, because remember I'm doing a double layer.
Oh, you're right. It's double layer. I forgot.
Yeah.
Hey, we took him a bath. Now time for him to go outside.
already gave him a bath?
The cake just came out of the oven and look easy. It comes out very easy with butter in your pan. So I'm going to freeze this. I just wanted to show you what we do before we ice it. We'll take it out of the freezer, we'll put it in the fridge, we'll do our icing, and I'm going to show you a video how to ice the cake. Put it on top of each other like this. I'd like to put the flat side on the bottom, and you could cut it to level it if you'd like. The flat side on the top, and this is how I would ice my cake. The best way to freeze your cake is to use saran wrap, and you would put the saran wrap at the bottom of your cake. It will fold over the cake, making sure you cover the whole cake. I took the wrap, I put it down on a board or on a table. I took my cake, I put it down like this, and I'm gonna pull it so I have enough. Cut it, and I'm gonna put it over my cake. Make sure the sides all wrapped up. Lift up the sides. You have all your cake all covered and wrapped up. So these are gonna go in the freezer till Adina's birthday. I'm gonna lay my cakes here on top of each other. It's gonna go straight in the freezer. I don't even have to mark it because I know it's going to be taken out of the freezer very soon. Thank you for joining me.